Today ay papacheck natin yung bike before tayo makyat ng Busay on our way to Motion Bike Concept. Let's go! Hindi kasi masyadong kumakagat yung bike, yung brake rather. So might as well ipacheck na lang natin yung cable and yung brake pads. Okay, we are now at Fuente Osmeña Circle. Dahan-dahan lang. Oops. Okay. Signaling, turning right. It's a kagandahan dito guys, malilim. As you can see. Wow! Our ride for today is about 3 kilometers lang naman. 3 kilometers papunta ng Motion Cycle. Quick repair lang sa bike before tayo akyat ng Busay. This is the best part of cycling, ano? Maraming puno, malilim, while our time check for today is 2:40 in the afternoon. Oops. Tapos turn left. Okay. Ha? Nang chat ko diri sa ilang Facebook mo gud.
Makikita ko. Lito wala dire.
Di bagor ako nang chat 2 hours ago.
Nag-i pa para. Dili ka.
Kani kay gahi ang yang brake nya musaka kog busayon ta ba. Basin og gilisana ng cables. uphill. First try. Takbong tito lang. Sobrang traffic. Uphill. Huh. I knew it. Uphill. This is 9 speed. May 3 speeds pa tayo remaining. 3 gears. 2 gears. Marco Polo na. That's the goal. First ride. Grabe. Yay. May screw. Ay, Marco Polo. Wakas. Ring, 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 ring. Okay. Uli na ta. Para makagkape. Coffee and chill. That's it for today's ride. Actually, tinesting ko lang kung kaya ng disc brake, cable actuated yung bike, yung downhill ng Marco Polo. So far, kaya naman ng stock brake. Tomorrow, punta tayo ng gas lamp. Yun lang. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. Actually, tinesting ko lang yung descent ng Busay going to the proper. Kasi first time ko po and nagtanong-tanong ako sa bicycle community and mixed yung mga sagot nila kung kaya ba ng cable actuated na disc brake yung descent ng Busay going to the Cebu proper. So after natin nagpa-bleed, pinadjust natin yung brakes, ay right away tinesting natin hanggang Marco Polo going to the Cebu proper. So ito yung bike and unfortunately Fortunately, kaya naman. So, modulation lang talaga ng brakes. Okay, so hopefully tomorrow, ride ulit tayo papunta na Gaslamp. Okay, yun lang. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye-bye.